Create a new project. We create using the default tab controller. How many tabs should be given in length? The scaffold is the child. The tab bar should be added in the bottom attribute inside the app bar. Create 2 tab widgets inside the tab bar. Add icon and text inside it. Create 2 pages for 2 tabs. Pages should be added inside the TabBarView in the body. Create a page for all movies. And create another file favorite. Include 2 files. And include in TabView. Then run the application. Both tab files can include some data. In the description of the video, the same file may be included. Run. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.